Trincheras in Elgueta. In 1936, the Spanish Civil War broke out between the Republican government and the nationalist forces, led by Francisco Franco. In the Basque Country, including Gipuzkoa, where Elgueta sits, the war became part of a wider campaign in the north. Nationalist troops quickly swept through Navarre and Alava in the summer and early autumn of 1936, while Basque provincial forces, socialists, and miners organized resistance in Vizcaya, Gipuzkoa, and Asturias. Elgueta was on the defensive front opposing the nationalists advancing from Navarre toward the Basque interior. After the fall of nearby Irun in September 1936, which cut Republican access to France, the Basque front stabilized in places like Elgueta, marking the beginning of positional warfare, including trenches, parapets, and refuge positions on the slopes around town and the adjacent Insorcha Mountains. Once the nationalist advance into Gipuzkoa was halted around late 1936 and early 1937, both sides entrenched to hold ground. In mountainous terrain like around Elgueta, trenches were dug out along ridges, spars, and hillsides to anchor lines, protect infantry from small arms and artillery fire, and control the few roads and passes linking Gipuzkoa's valleys. These weren't static museum pieces. They were active frontline defenses, dug under difficult conditions of steep slopes and wet, vast winters. With soldiers mixing rudimentary fortifications like zigzag dugouts and simple breastworks with natural rock and vegetation. Over months of stalemate, they formed networking of firing steps, foxholes, and covered approaches, from which units could observe, defend, and counterattack. The Centro Vasco de Interpretación de la Memoria Histórica in Elgueta explains this period and preserved parts of this landscape today. The museum's interpretive path extends about 5 kilometers through trenches, parapets, and shelters on the Insorcha foothills, a testimony to this defensive posture. Living in trenches around Elgueta was harsh and precocious, although specific soldiers' diaries from Elgueta itself are rare. Trenches across fronts in Spain, including in the Basque Country, shared common conditions like exposure to elements. Rain, mud, cold, and wind were constant hardships, especially in the winter months or on exposed ridges. Disease and discomfort, poor sanitation, dampness, and lice were endemic, and trench foot or fungal infections were common among soldiers. So, this is a hideout during the Civil War. A hideout for people to fight. Yeah. Murag mga gigireros rapod kung sa tuwa ba. Monotony and danger. Long periods of boredom were punctuated by sudden machine gun, artillery, or sniper fire. The trench lines could be only tens of meters apart in places, making the front tense and volatile. These conditions were similar to later documented trench warfare elsewhere in the war, such as the Battle of the Ebro, where soldiers describe waiting, watching, and risking exposure every day.
Pwede ko ga-expect na magsaka-saka kong bukid ron. Kaya kung ba na kay ganahan man dyan siya i-share ko nun eh. Kay history ko nun nila. Civil War. So, ayan. In the name of vlog. Kanong kapuya. Pugnaw pag ko kaayo. Kay winter. Make up ko kaayo. Diyos mio. Ay, mga sa to mga gorilla, no? Para sa war. Naraptap. Yeah.
In the Basque Theater, units included Basque battalions alongside Republican brigades, open fighting to defend their home terrain. Supply constraints were common, and both sides relied on local fortifications and improvised positions because mechanized warfare was limited on the rugged north. While major battles like Battle of Irun in August to September 1936 are better documented, where nationalists took Irun and cut Republican access to France. The fighting around Elgueta and the Insorcha Ridge was part of the aftershock of those campaigns. Once the north from the solidified, the Insorcha and Elgueta positions became part of the static Basque defensive line, anchoring the Republicans' hopes of protecting the industrial north and the approaches to the Gipuzkoa's interior towns. Although this front didn't see the kind of large mobile offensive battles later witnessed in Aragon or Catalonia,
Abot jud ko dire. It's a history of civil war for the Spanish people. Okay. Kani ko no on top is to control. So, dating kapuya pati pag yung bugnawa. In the name of vlog. Hala, sige go!